Hello. Welcome to my new video about Amazon gift card codes. Amazon gift cards is a perfect gift for any occasions. Amazon gift cards can be used to purchase millions of products on Amazon.com and for other services such as Amazon Prime, Kindle, Marketplace products, and Amazon Fresh as of 2022. You can see here, I already redeemed my Amazon account with $100 Amazon gift card. To get Amazon gift cards, open your browser and go to the website 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞. Click on Gift Cards menu. You can see, there are many gift cards available here and all are free. Now click on your Amazon gift card. Choose gift card value. Now you will see it is connecting to the server, generating code, and waiting for completion. You need to show that you are not a bot to get the full code. So, you need to verify. Just complete any one from this list. Here is the verification part. Depending on your country and devices, this part could be a survey, install, or something else. It's easy and takes 3 to 4 minutes. Just enter your actual email. Then your first name, last name, address, and age. Make sure age must be over 18. Please provide valid information. Here you have to answer some random questions as genuinely as possible. Here you see, the verification has been completed successfully and the last 4 digits of the full code has been generated. You can store this code to your notepad or anywhere you want. Then go to your Amazon.com account. Click on Gift Cards. Then click on Redeem an Amazon gift card. Now enter the code and click on Apply to your balance. And see $100 added to your previous balance. And new current balance is $279. In this way you can top up your Amazon account in just 5 minutes. Thanks for watching.